انہوں نے زمین پر گھٹنے ٹیکے.
They knelt on the ground. They knelt on the ground.
ہم تیز روشنی سے حیران رہ گئے.
We were taken aback by the bright light. We were taken aback by the bright light.
میں اسے ایک نئی روشنی میں دیکھنے لگا.
I began to see him in a new light. I began to see him in a new light.
وہ بمشکل 1 منٹ رکے.
They lingered barely a minute. They lingered barely a minute.
آپ اس کی آواز میں ایمانداری سن سکتے تھے.
You could hear the honesty in his voice. You could hear the honesty in his voice.
میں اسے 1 سال میں حاصل کر سکتا ہوں.
I can achieve that in a year. I can achieve that in a year.
اس کے چہرے پر شرمندگی کا کوئی نشان نہیں تھا.
There was no trace of shame on her face. There was no trace of shame on her face.
اس کے پاس اپنی ڈرائنگ کے علاوہ کچھ بھی نہیں تھا.
He had nothing to offer except his drawings. He had nothing to offer except his drawings.
اس نے ایک لمحے کے لیے اپنے ماضی پر غور کیا.
She reflected on her past for a moment. She reflected on her past for a moment.
وہ کسی ایسی چیز پر قابو نہیں رکھ سکتا جو اس کی طاقت سے باہر ہو.
He can't control something that is beyond his power. He can't control something that is beyond his power.